Imagine a place where you can walk through Harry Potter's world in the morning, take selfies at famous landmarks marks in the afternoon, and dance to your favorite band at night, all in one country. Great Britain is a great place for a holiday, especially for teenagers. There are many fun things to do and cool places to visit, which I'm going to name in my presentation. But first of all, some general facts. Great Britain is an island in is an island in northwest Europe. It is a part of the United Kingdom, and it includes English, Scotland, and Wales. The people usually speak English, and the money is the British pound. Some famous cities are London, Edinburgh, Cardiff, Manchester, and Liverpool. London is the capital of England. It has many things to see, like the London Eye. Edinburgh is old and it has castles. It is great for Harry Potter fans because there you can see a Harry Potter. You can see your Harry Potter world. Cardiff is the capital of Wales. It is good for sports and music, but also Manchester, which is famous for football and shopping. Liverpool is the home of the Beatles, so you can explore your knowledge of the music. Some cool places for teenagers are the Harry Potter Studios, which is near um, in London. The Tour Park and the Alton Towers, which have fun amusement parks, and the Britain, which has a beach, arcade, and cool shops. The Camden Market has vintage clothes and street food. It has good vintage clothes and street food, and the Oxford and the Cambridge have old, beautiful universities. Um, in the Stokenhenge, you can see there is a famous stone circle. Some fun activities for teenagers are you can go shopping, for example, in Oxford streets in London. You can take also pictures in front of the London Eye or Tower Bridge. You can visit football stadiums like the Old Trafford or Emirates. But you can also see street art in London, but especially in London and Bristol. But you can also go to a free museum or science centers, and you can join ghost tours in Edinburgh. But also a fun activity is to go hiking in the nature parks with a beautiful view. um, the some food which is liked by many teenagers. um, so if you are in the Great Britain, you should try the fish and chips or the English breakfast. That's the tr- um that's the main food which is eaten in the Great Britain. But also they eat burgers and fries, and uh, and but also try afternoon tea with small tea and cakes. You can also eat Indian, Chinese, or Italian food, which is also very famous. Some transport tips, uh, yeah, some transport tips. You can use the Oscar card or the contactless card in London. You can also take the double-decker buses, which is very fun, and You can also explore maybe your knowledge of society and get new friends or meet new friends. The tube is fast in London, and the trains go to all big cities. So, traffic is has a very places. Students get discounted with their students' idea. Last but not least, the fun fact: in Great Britain, there is a museum for failed inventions. It's called the Museum of Culture. Culture, and it's very funny. Um, Meanwhile, the others, so while other countries show off cool stuff, Britain has the Museum of proudly says, "Look how weird we are." Yeah, that was my presentation.